This backyard was designed and installed by Gappsi in Bellmore, New York. We installed a 20 by 40 concrete wall vinyl pool. We use G43 marble pavers, select from the Gappsi Natural Stone collection, and 2 inches coping G43 for the edge of the pool and the auto cover box. The pool is equipped with a safety auto cover. The pool has a gradual slope from 43 inches to 56 inches. We built a sun deck in the shallow area with 12 inches of water in the sun deck and 2 bobblers. The liner, it's an old texture liner, resembling an hydrazzo finish, everything a gunite pool. The 2 bobblers in the sun deck work as a water feature. They also create waves in the pool, making the entire pool a water feature. And there are also lights that change color at nighttime. The height of the bobbler can be adjusted to work lower or higher. We also installed LED lights on one side of the pool, shining away from the house. The stoop was also veneered with quartz stone veneer and veneered the edge of the steps with G43 marble pavers. This is the latest Gappsi backyard pool and patio design and installation in Bellmore, Nassau County, New York.